Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are your wrinkles getting deeper, your joints stiffer, and your skin losing its glow? What if I told you that by age 50, your body makes 50% less collagen, and by age 60, you've lost almost 75%? But you can reverse this naturally? Stay with me, because in this video, you'll learn 14 scientifically proven foods that increase collagen production faster than most supplements. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll reveal the #1 collagen-rich food that beats even bone broth in skin repair. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. But the good news is, you can restore collagen naturally with foods that work from the inside out. These aren't trendy beauty hacks. They're real science-backed foods that tighten skin, reduce wrinkles, and slow aging. Let's dive in. 1. Bone broth, liquid collagen, 1 minute. High in collagen, glycine, proline, supports skin elasticity, joints, hair, nails. Latest info, slow-cooked broths have up to 10 grams of natural collagen per cup. Easy to drink or add to soups and stews. 1. Salmon and fatty fish, omega-3 for skin barrier, 45 seconds. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, keeps skin hydrated and plump, protects collagen fibers from breaking down. 1. Chicken, rich in natural collagen, 45 seconds. Chicken skin connective tissues contain type 2 collagen, helps tighten skin and support joints. 1. Eggs, proline, vitamin A and D, 40 seconds. Egg whites contain proline, a collagen building block. Yolks support skin cell repair. Quick, cheap, powerful. 1. Berries, vitamin C, powerhouses, 45 seconds. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Vitamin C is required for collagen synthesis. Antioxidants protect collagen from free radicals. 1. Leafy greens, chlorophyll, plus, vitamin C, 40 seconds. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Chlorophyll increases collagen precursor molecules, repairs damaged skin cells. 1. Citrus fruits, collagen formation, 40 seconds. Oranges, grapefruit, lemon, lime. Helps produce strong collagen fibers. Protects skin from dullness. 1. Avocado, vitamin E plus healthy fats, 45 seconds. Keeps skin moisturized from inside. Protects against oxidative damage. Helps with elasticity and firmness. 1. Tomatoes, lycopene for UV protection, 40 seconds. Stops UV rays from breaking down collagen. Boosts collagen rebuilding. 1. Garlic, sulfur for collagen synthesis, 40 seconds. Sulfur helps build and maintain collagen. Taurine and lipoic acid prevent collagen breakdown. 1. Papaya, vitamin C, plus enzymes, 40 seconds. Papain enzyme improves digestion and skin turnover, supports elasticity. 1. Nuts and seeds, vitamin E, plus zinc, 40 seconds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, chia, flax. Vitamin E protects collagen. Zinc supports skin repair. 1. Green tea, powerful antioxidants, 40 seconds. EGCG protects collagen. Anti-inflammatory, makes skin smoother and firmer. 1. Red bell peppers, vitamin C plus beta-carotene, 40 seconds. One of the highest vitamin C foods. Helps collagen form stronger, thicker fibers. If this is helpful so far, make sure you keep watching, because in just a moment, I'll reveal the single best collagen-boosting food that works faster than supplements, and why most people never eat enough of it. Among all these foods, bone broth remains the #1 natural collagen source. But here's something new. Studies show that fish collagen peptides from fish skin and fish bone broth are absorbed 1.5 times faster than beef collagen. If you want the strongest anti-aging boost, drink beef or chicken bone broth. Add salmon or fish bone broth weekly. This combination gives you the most powerful natural collagen boost. Eat at least 2 collagen-rich foods daily. Avoid smoking and excess sugar. They destroy collagen. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Collagen forms during deep sleep. Stay hydrated. Add vitamin C to every meal to maximize collagen absorption. If you want younger skin, stronger joints, and a more youthful glow, these natural collagen-boosting foods are the easiest place to start. Your body knows how to heal. Give it the right fuel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more science-based health tips. And check out the next video for natural ways to stay young, healthy, and strong.